Hi friends, welcome to simpleindianrecipes.com, your online guide to healthy home-style cooking. Chutney is an important part of Indian cuisine which is served with almost every meal and snack. It is known by different names like pachudi, tovel, chamandi, etc. The varieties of chutneys are countless and can be made with different vegetables, fruits, nuts, lentils or a combination of these. Over the next few days, I'll be sharing various chutney recipes. To start off, today I'm sharing the basic white coconut chutney, which is a staple in South Indian homes. It's a creamy, tasty chutney that can be made in a jiffy with just a handful of ingredients. We need 1 cup of freshly grated coconut, 1/4 cup of roasted chana dal, also known as pottukadalai, a small piece of ginger and 3 green chilies. We also need some lukewarm drinking water because we'll not be cooking the chutney. The method is quite simple. You just need to grind all these ingredients to get a smooth, creamy chutney. So here I take all the ingredients in my smallest mixie jar. I also add some salt according to my taste. Add very little water, maybe about 2 to 3 tablespoons, and grind it first. Once you have this coarse mixture, you can add additional water depending on the consistency of the chutney that you prefer. Blend it again till it becomes a smooth chutney. Some people prefer the chutney to be thick like what I have made today, while others prefer it a little more watery. Also, some people like to add milk instead of water while grinding to make the chutney even whiter. That's it, your tasty chutney is ready. Now let's add the tempering for it. For this, heat a small pan and add some coconut oil. Add about 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds and some urad dal. Take 2 dry red chilies, break it and add it to the tempering. Also add in some fresh curry leaves. Once the seeds pop, add the seasoning over the chutney. You can mix it with the chutney, but I like to leave it on top to make a beautiful presentation. This chutney can be served with all idli and dosa varieties and other South Indian snacks. There are a few variations of this basic coconut chutney which I'll be sharing in the coming days. Thanks for watching. See you soon with another chutney recipe. Until then, take care and bye-bye.